All flightless birds I have an affinity for.
Yes.
Name 3 more. Flightless birds. Go.
Flamingo.
They fly.
Weasel. Shoot. I crack under the pressure every time.
One more.
Clownfish.
Got it. A clownfinch.
Clownfish, I think.
Cool. You know what the biggest weasel is?
That piece of shit, Martin Shkreli.
Good one. But it's a wolverine.
Oh, cool.
Wolverines are weasels.
Oh, cool, yeah. What about red pandas? Are those weasels? I'm asking a question, don't laugh at me.
You think a red panda's a weasel?
If a wolverine's a what?
It's a panda. It's a bear.
Okay, panda bears aren't bears either.
What are they?
They're cats.